guys, today we're playing Car Crash and car games too. Car games, actually. Let's do this. Should I click on this car again? Ooh, what car should I select? What about this one? No, I think I know that one. Ooh, a white car. I don't know why this game is called Car Crash. I think you need a crash car. I don't know. I actually don't know, guys. Yeah, I'm just doing those voiceovers. Okay, let's do this. Hello, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. I changed my recording. Okay, so... Oh my gosh! I just crashed. Oh, I guess that's why it's called Car Crash. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, this is my second recording. I am editing this video right now. I think it's gonna come out tomorrow. I don't know how much likes I have. I'm so excited. Come on, I have to do this. This is the end. Before the fire, but I better bend you. This is the fire. Ouch. Man, what am I doing in my life? Oh my gosh, why am I crashing a lot? Oh my gosh, did you just see it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that car just hit me very, very far. Oh my gosh, I missed that car. Oh my gosh. Be as quiet as possible. Oh, sorry. This is my third recording now. I don't care. Let me just get in this police car because I'm a police officer. Of course. Everybody knows that I'm a police officer. This is the best day of my life. Okay. You like I don't care. And yes, it's me going downstairs. I'm doing this on iMovie. You can also see it on my first video on Anish299. Make sure to subscribe to Anish299 and notificate us to get more videos to see in all of our videos. Hello, my brother. Yeah, I was talking about the subscribe notification and leave a like on this video. And this video is 30 minutes long. You can always change your mind. Please, but don't change your mind, please. I'm just a kid. I'm only 9. And today I'm at October 1st, 2025. I'm gonna turn 10 in grade 5. Just please like and subscribe, please. Okay, what car should I choose next? But please like and subscribe. I am begging you. I am praying to you. This was my dream to become a YouTuber. but not as you imagine it. Like, when I was just 4 or 3 years old. I'm from India, you know, but it's just India's a very dangerous place. Watch your coronaviruses, and this is the most one I got getting damaged. But please like and subscribe. You can roast me if you want, but then make sure to do like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, why is it doing like that? Huh? Oh my gosh. Oh, this might be the hardest one I ever did. And this guy wait a second. I got an idea. And oh my gosh, I just lost the color. It might be the last. I don't know before I move to the next game. But if we have time, we'll play another game. And if we have time, in this 30 minutes, you'll have another one. VIPs? No. Items? No, I just gotta pick out the cars from here. I'm just looking for a Cybertruck. Yeah. Don't you dare even think about touching my Cybertruck. Okay, this one is next. Okay, I think this is the last one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the last one. Okay, we're on to the next one. Oh no. Never call is up next. Diamond unicorn. Let's see. I want a fast car. Like that. Ooh. Let's see. This is fun. Oh, here we go. Dude, I'm bad at this. I know a little bit there. Yes, this is my first time playing this game. Yeah, that was so cool. That was my first trick ever, and I still managed to do that. Let's do the flipperama. But man, wait, let's do the boosts. That's cheating. Oh, sorry, that was my dad. He's just upset. Whoa, what was that? Man, I didn't expect that voice to come. Don't mind that clicking sound. It's just my dad didn't work. Okay, I should stop. But please, like and subscribe. Okay. Even Steve is saying, yeah, like and subscribe. Even Sonic is saying, yeah, like and subscribe. Even Shadow saying, like and subscribe, baby. Oh my gosh. But please like and subscribe, actually, I'm serious. And this is my 6th record. I'm working very hard, actually very easily, but still very hard. Because I have to work only for my parents' permission. Like I live in a building which is made out of sound. I'm watching you trying to work peacefully, but there's a lot of sound. But also I want to switch this. How could I switch this? What button did I press? Should I press the car? Let's no, after this jump. Woohoo! Oh, that's amazing. Let's press delete car, I think. Nah, just one more. Come on. Oh yes. That was awesome. I think I should press delete car. I did it already. Okay, what car should I do next? Should I do the Anish? Yeah, I should do the Anish. Where is it? Where is the Anish? Whatever it is. Okay, it's just me breathing. I have a cold. My nose is getting blocked. So can you please like and subscribe? Guys, I'm going to sing a song for you. It's called Rainbow, and I'm gonna sing it. Subscribe for me to have good luck. Upon a very rainy day, without a minute warning, the sun came out and changed it all to such a pretty. Okay, like and subscribe please, and bye.